What's up, YouTube? So in today's video, I'm going to try to teach you guys how to repair a broken file downloaded from newsgroups. If you want to learn how, stick around. Welcome back to Kelly Tech. Alright, let's jump right in. In order to repair an NZB file that you've downloaded, you can use built-in tools, but QuickPar is really the way to go. So I'm using Grabit for this tutorial. And if you're using Grabit, you definitely want to turn this off. Let me go to Edit, Preferences, Repair and Extract. And whatever download program you're using will have this function most likely, and you can enable or disable it. Mine is disabled, but normally these are on. And it kind of stops you from being able to use QuickPar and WinRar. So we need to take these off, hit apply, and then hit OK. And then you're all set. So I am gonna download this NZB that I know has problems, and it's really large file too. So this is a perfect example of what QuickPar can do for you. So I'm gonna double click this and it'll start downloading the NZB. And it's a really large file, so it's gonna take a minute to import the NZB into the program. So I'll just go ahead and skip ahead. Alright, so we're well into the download here. And I already see a bunch of errors. And these look like they couldn't even find it. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's another one, 5, 6. So we have 6 that I don't even think, I think they're missing. So this is going to be an interesting fix. So it looks like we do have 6 bad files. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we're going to have to repair this. So in the beginning, we changed some settings so it doesn't automatically repair it. So it's going to look a little different. We can go to download folder. And here it is. And it looks a little different. Usually you would see just, a folder or something like that. Maybe even a movie, MP3, whatever. But instead we get this now. We have to do it manually. Now, you're not going to see these icons until you install the software, so we're going to stop and do that right now. And here is the website for Grabit, the program that I've been using to download. If you need that, I'll definitely leave that down in the description below. Okay, so here is QuickPar. Pretty simple. I'll leave the link. Start download. And I noticed it's doing this. Insecure download blocked. I have no idea why. I've been using this program forever at this website, so weird. And that's done. So we can go ahead and install that real quick. Double click. Yes. Next. Next. Install. This one's real easy. Next. You just gotta run it once. And then you can just hit exit. You don't even have to know anything about any of that. Makes it a lot easier, right? Alright, and you should really have WinRar too. Go ahead and open that up. Yes. Install. And yep, all you have to do is hit OK, and then done. So you have the 2 pieces of software that you need. So now we can go back to that folder that our download's in. Okay, so this symbol here, I don't know what you would even call that, a snake. Double click that and it will start the repair on these zip files. And this is a really big file and it has a lot of errors. So I'll come back when this thing's done. It's gonna take a while. And when it's finally done, it takes a while, depending on how big the file is. You can hit repair. So it says ready to recover using 174 of the 290 blocks. So you have 290 blocks and it needs 174 of them. So you just got to hit repair. And if you didn't have enough blocks, then you wouldn't be able to repair it. But in this case, we have enough blocks. So I'll fast forward to this. Alright, so at this point, your files are repaired. So now all we have to do is take all these zip files, looks like a stack of books, and join them back together. So it doesn't matter, you can any one of them. Just double click. And here it is. Grab this, pull it out, put it on the desktop just to make things easy. And this is going to take a minute to extract, so I'll fast forward. And there you have it. Your file is repaired and in working order. So, hope this helped you out. Hope you learned something. If you did, like and subscribe. And as always, have a tech day.